Hi, welcome again to this channel. Uh, if you're new to this channel, this is a travel and automotive channel, and you can check all other videos. We have a lot of videos in the channel, different automotive videos and travel videos. So this video, I'm gonna show you the location of the transmission in this Chevy Express cargo van. So as you can see, we are under the vehicle. If you're looking at the video, you can see we're under the vehicle here, and I want to show you this transmission starting from the back of the transmission. You can see, if you can see, this is the exhaust. Starts all the way there. You can see all the way there from the back of the vehicle there. Comes all the way here, all the way up here. You can see the shaft there where it meets the transmission. This is what spins. You start the car, it spins, and when it spins, it connects. You can see it connects the rear axle there, the rear axle, the rear wheels there, the axle there. And when it spins, the tires in the back move. Although they follow the tires with the two-wheel drive, so it follows the tires in the front. The front is what turns in these two-wheel drive vehicles. At the connection, you can see the shaft here. From the back there, the shaft comes over here, and that it spins, and it pulls the back. So I want to show you the transmission. Most of these Chevy Express cargo vans have this transmission leak here. I don't know why. I've checked most of these vans, and there's always this. You can see there's a leak. That's transmission fluid leaking right there at that connection there, and I don't know why, but it seems to me it doesn't affect anything. So if you're driving one of these Chevy Express cargo vans, make sure you regularly check your transmission fluid, because as the vehicle gets older, that leak happens. I don't know why, and I've had this van now for a while, and it hasn't affected anything. The van is still moving fine. Just be checking your transmission fluid. It might be a gasket. I'm still not sure. It might be the gasket here. I don't know why it leaks there. I'm still trying to figure this thing out. But just be checking your transmission fluid and top it off as necessary. But I wanted to show you the location of the transmission in this van, and you can see it starts right there. Right here. That's the back end of the transmission, and the transmission goes all the way. It goes all the way from. It's a very big piece of metal. It's a very important piece of the vehicle. If your transmission is not working, the vehicle can't move. You can switch gears. So you can see that's the transmission all the way there. It's connected to the oil pan right there. We'll go towards the front of the vehicle in a minute, but that's the transmission front right there, and it comes all the way here. It's under here, which is all the way, and it's connected here to this shaft here. This is the location. Now let's move so we can get back there to the front and check this transmission. So as you can see, when you come here, you get a better view of the front of the transmission, and you can see how it's connected to the oil pan right here. You can see these vans. There's something else I need to tell you about these vans. As the vehicle gets older, the oil, for some reason, the oil starts leaking. It might be the gasket, the oil pan gasket. So you can see at about 200, over 200,000 miles, you start noticing the oil like this here near the transmission. Keep an eye on that. You can change the gasket. You can drop the pan if you have to. You can drop the oil pan and try to change the oil pan gasket. But this is very common, so you'll be checking on your under your vehicle, and uh, you can clean it up, and you can do whatever you can take. Just make sure you keep an eye on it and do proper maintenance on this vehicle. Don't forget to be checking under your vehicle, because there's a lot of things that need to be checked. You can check the rust. You can spray Rust-Oleum is good for the rust. You can spray Rust-Oleum for the rust. Come here, you can wash it. Always be washing under your vehicle. You can see, because these are utility vehicles. So sometimes you drive through construction sites and all that. So you be cleaning all these mud and all that. So that's the location of the transmission, and you can see the transmission is a very important piece of this vehicle. Make sure you take good care of your transmission. Check the fluids regularly, top off regularly, because once it's gone, the vehicle is gone, and you either change the transmission or you buy a new vehicle. So that's the location of the transmission on this Chevy Express cargo van. This is it right here. That is it right there, and you can see that's where it meets the oil pan right there. And so if somebody asks you where is the transmission in this van, it's right here. It's a very important piece, and it's very difficult to change it. So to change that transmission, you have to remove all these metals up here, all this stuff here. So make sure your transmission fluid is very important to keep control of. So you can see, if you look from the back, from outside, you can see right there, it starts right there at the joint there with that shaft right there. Keep an eye on that. Like I say, be cleaning under your vehicle. This is just a short video to show you the location of the transmission of this Chevy Express cargo van, and also to remind you to be cleaning your vehicle. Like this one now, you see it needs to be cleaned. All this dust, all this sand needs to be cleaned to avoid rust building up. Yeah, so you can see. So be looking under your vehicle. Pay attention to under your vehicle, and clean under there as necessary. So let me know what you think about this video. This was just meant to be a short video to show you the location of the transmission, and also to remind you to be cleaning under your vehicle when you're washing your vehicle. You see how much dirt is under the vehicle, and also to tell you to be checking your transmission fluid in the Chevy Express cargo van, because they usually lose transmission fluid right there at the joint of the transmission of the shaft. Just to remind you. So let me know what you think about this video. If you have any question, you can ask there in the comment section, or if you have any comment, you can leave there in the comment section. And take a look, watch our other videos on this van here. We've covered a lot of things on this van and other GM trucks. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, bye.